Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my morning routine. You can tell I just woke up. Step 1 in our 4-step regimen, cleanse, prep, treat, protect, is the Lipid Defense Countertime Cleansing Oil. This line is for our pro-aging line. It's for more mature skin. I'd say, it kind of just depends on your skin, over 35, over 40, but it's designed for more mature skin. This oil, it's just so great because you clean your skin and yet you feel completely hydrated when you finish using it, and it gets every little nook and cranny, and I think it just gives that extra hydration to more mature skin that we need. Upstrokes on my face, get every little bit. This is, of course, our Retin Natural Complex. It's what disturbed the marketplace 2 years ago to replace retinol, which is obviously very popular, but ranks a 9 on the EWG website for toxicity. And it's linked to cancer when it gets broken down in the sun. So Retin Natural is a combination of bakuchiol and Swiss Alpine Rose. Same effects with no side effects. I'm using this cloth. I love this cloth. It's just a really fine fiber with that oil. Just really feels like it gets everything. The next step, though, I have to say, this might be one of my favorite products that we make. I just love the Hydrate. I know I can move my face now. Yes, Avery, you can move your face now. The Mineral Boost Hydrating Essence. It just is exactly what it says. It just gives you put it on and it just gives you this little boost. You just feel like you wake up. It's like a little milky emulsion there. Nothing like any toner you've ever tried. It's patterned after the Asian skin culture. They're really into essences over there. Rub it between my hands and then I just press it very delicately into my skin. And it just feels so good. You're just pressing all those nutrients and minerals into your skin. It has a clinical study behind it that it improves the skin's barrier function against environmental stressors and the next steps or anything else you do to your skin throughout the day. I make sure that dries. And then I move on to my 3rd step, the treat step, which today I am substituting the Beautycounter Plus All Bright C Serum. Little known fact, friends, little known fact. The majority of C serums on the marketplace do not absorb into your skin. We are one of the few, which is probably why it's our #1 selling product. It's a mixture of turmeric and camu. It's just the best smell. I mean, just to wake up to that in the morning, you just get that little smell. It just makes me happy. And that yellow, bright yellow, sunny color, I just want a little bit more to put on my neck. Again, upstrokes. Don't forget the back of your hands. It's like the daytime version of the overnight resurfacing peel. So that's my treat step. My 4th step is the protect step. That's my moisturizer step. This is the Antioxidant Soft Cream, also in the Countertime line. And it's like light and pillowy. It's so soft. It is soft. And you go, why? It's so airy, like a pillow. So just rub that all over my face. That's my protect step. And there's clinical studies for this one too. It's this Countertime line. It's just so fabulous. 100% observed more glowing, radiant, youthful skin. 97% agreed the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles was reduced. 94% agreed skin looked plumper, and 100% felt skin looked brighter. And to add a 5th step, this is 1 step past a regimen, we have the Countertime Ultra Renewal Eye Cream. And I have to say, when this line came out, the eye cream was the thing that the reps were going gaga over. All the reps on the team were like, that eye cream. So make sure you use your ring finger and pat it on your whole eye orbital. And it has this extra ingredient that's the real kicker. Persian silk tree extract, proven in independent clinical studies to brighten the eye area, fade dark circles, diminish puffiness, and reduce the appearance of crow's feet. But I want to end this routine with these, just as extra step. I always wear sunscreen. I want to encourage everyone, 90% of aging comes from the sun, sunscreen. So this Dew Skin just gives you that glowy goodness, but I have very dry skin, so I like a little extra hydration. So I'm going to use 2 to 3 drops of this #2 hydrating oil in the Dew Skin, make a little cocktail. And then upstrokes again, neck, face, back of your hands. That's the key. We all remember our face, but you just got to remember the neck and the back of your hands. because you can age them differently if you forget. Gotta remember, sunscreen and moisturizer protect that lovely little neck there. And that is my morning routine. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and have a beautiful day.